Feeling good, feeling great, 'cause I got a big old smile upon my face, and you can't take that away. Feeling good, feeling great, and I know today is going to be my day, and you can't take that away.
Alright guys, so we're almost at the Banff Springs Hotel, the famous Fairmont Hotel. It's just behind the trees there. Let's go check it out and see what's up. Alright guys, so this is the Fairmont Banff Springs Hotel. Started off at the conference center, and this is the main hotel on this side. And we're about to head inside. The rescue right here. I guess the restaurant's called the Chop House.
1888 Chop House.
the Fairmont Banff Springs has a bunch of shops inside the hotel itself, which you've been seeing so far, so very interesting. It's like a little mall in here. You could get sports items, clothing. There's also restaurants and bars. So this is the back room at the Fairmont, guys. Very unique hotel. Dorothy right here. So guys, this hotel was actually built in 1888 and open to the public. It's very impressive architecture. It has a Chateau style architecture. And there's a exterior courtyard out here with a statue of I believe that's a Canadian Mountie on a horse. Alright, we're just gonna head back out to the front lobby and head back to downtown Banff, guys. So we hope you liked the video. This is basically the Fairmont Banff Springs Hotel. Alright guys, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for hanging out with us as usual. Peace.